Today on Dad's Garage, we're going to show you how to replace a lawnmower blade on an Ego electric or battery powered mower. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need to do, of course, is go to your Home Depot or wherever, pick up the blade. This blade replacement is pretty much the same as any other mower I've ever seen. So this should apply to most any push mowers. So just go to Home Depot or your lawn and garden center, pick up a mower blade. The ones for the Egos are about 20 bucks at Home Depot. AB 2100 is the model number of this one for the Ego mowers. First thing we want to do is certainly remove the battery, because we don't want any accidental, even though there's so many safety features on the mower, always remove the battery. Eliminate any possibility. Then what I want to do is, because these mowers are so versatile and you can stand them up on end, I'm going to go ahead, rotate the handle this way. Go ahead and stand it on end. Now, we're going to grab us a Phillips screwdriver. Alright, so with this screwdriver, they give you one hole right here, and that is to stop the blade from moving when you're trying to loosen this up. Now, if you have any kind of impact at all, this is going to make the job a lot easier. You can use, of course, a ratchet. I would put gloves on just because you are dealing with the blade, even though this one's dull. So we got 14 millimeter. Alright, so in this case, on the Ego, it goes counterclockwise to loosen, just like you would normally loosen a bolt. Some lawnmowers I've seen go exactly backwards to that. So then we pull off the bolt, we've got a little washer, then we've got a blade. Pretty much that simple. Now we're going to open the blade up. And if you get confused which way you took it off, because I'm like, oh shoot, well, which way is up, which way is down, these blades are stamped. This side facing grass. So we're going to put that baby right back on there. Alright, so now all we're going to have to do is we're going to have to put the bolt back in. We've got the washer back on, the blade back on. Get our screwdriver back in here to stop this. And we're done. So about 3 minutes on this mower. I've fought some other gas mowers before. They're much more difficult to get the blade off. But it can always be done. On this one, though, very simple. I think it took us a total of 5 minutes, maybe, for everything. So, very, very simple. Now we've got a nice new blade that'll cut our grass real good, and all for about 20 bucks. And less than 5 minutes of work. So, anyway, we appreciate you guys watching again, and we'll catch you next time on Dad's Garage.